Hi, this is Handy TF. In this video, we will assemble and try out this SunJoe electric lawn scarifier and dethatcher. Inside the box, it has the main body that has Scarifier assembled, an upper handle frame attached with a cable, 4 handlebars, a dethatcher cylinder, a bag of knobs and bolts. It also has a thatch collection bag. To assemble this machine, all we need to do is to connect these handlebars together. The lower handlebars are curved ones. Insert the end that has no cap into the gear wheels, and align the holes for the bolts, and insert them to the machine, and secure it with a knob. Secure the middle handlebars to the lower handlebars with the knobs and bolts. Connect the upper handle frame to the middle handlebars the same way. Fix the cord with the core clip. Loosen the knobs on the gear wheels, adjust the handle to the height comfortable to you. Then tighten all knobs. The Scarifier is already attached in the machine. To swap out the cylinder, use the Allen key to unscrew the 2 bolts. Now, it is ready for use. The best time is during spring and fall in a dry day, but not in hot summer. You want to mow the lawn first, so that it can pull out more thatch. Hi, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. This will encourage me to make more free videos to help more people. Push a loop of extension cord through the holder and lock it in place. To start, press and hold the safety lock button while pushing down the switch lever, then release the lock. The dethatcher is basically like a power rake. The bag is pretty small, and it stops collecting thatch when it is about half full. Even though I use the bag, there is still a lot of thatch left, so I have run the mower again to collect the remaining thatch. Next, we are going to swap the cylinder and try scarifiering. The Scarifier is kind of like lightweight tiller. The difference is that the Scarifier blade is straight, so it will only cut through the soil between grass. You need to adjust height. Use the setting 5 or 10 for dethatching, and -5 or -10 for scarifiering. Don't use 0, 0 is too low for dethatching and too high for scarifiering. I used the bag for the scarifiering. That was a mistake. You definitely don't want to use bag for scarifiering, it will collect lots of soil. As you can see, it cuts shallow groove in the soil, so it lets air into the root of grass. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, Handy TF.